formulated by the physicist Robert Boyle in the 17th century, describes the relationship between the pressure and volume of a gas at constant temperature. It states that the pressure of a given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its volume when the temperature remains constant. In simpler terms, when the volume of a gas decreases, its pressure increases, and vice versa as long as the temperature remains the same.
Hi guys! So, ang ingay po ng agonsilyo. Opo. We're going to film our experiment. Ingay, nagbibideo. Dapat